Hi, I'm Jenny Hurst. I'm the Membership and Events Director here at Big Spring Country Club. I know you guys have been curious about all the changes and all the renovations here at the Big Spring campus, so I'm happy to bring you along for a little tour. Come along. For those of y'all who haven't been by the club yet, this is our brand new lobby here at the Big Spring campus. As you can see, we've got all new hardwood floors. The ceilings have been raised. We have new lighting in the ceilings. New facade around the fireplace, new furniture. We have a divider in between the room as well. This is the former grill room. As you can see, we've painted all the brick in here, as well as all the furniture, the wainscoting. And they have just recently opened up the wall where we'll enter out into the new section of the building. This is the men's locker room. And it looks like today we are laying some carpet. So that is going in today. These are the restrooms in the men's locker room. Vanity area, beautiful cabinetry. Got doors on the showers now. And then if you head back this way, you'll see the sauna. This is the sauna in the men's locker room. This is the lounge in the men's locker room. We do have some cabinetry and a sink here. Carpet going down in the back, and then the wood floors and carpeting going down in the front part of the room. We also have new light fixtures as well. We're now on the second floor. This is right outside the men's locker room, and this is the new constructed area. This room right here is going to be the exercise room. And if you come this way and walk out, it actually leads out to a balcony that overlooks the pool and patio area. So you have a really great view from this balcony from the exercise room. This is the golf shop, and as you can see, we have all the new windows and doors installed. And these are windows that look out on the cart staging area. And here, the brick is already going up on the outside of the building. This is outside the pro shop. Right here, this is the cart staging area and the scoreboard. So going around this way, this is where the back entrance will be. You can see the people out there and the view for the back parking lot. That's it. I hope you guys liked what you saw today. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching. And we'll keep bringing you updates as they happen. It's an exciting time here, a lot going on. So thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.